So what are the best penny stocks to buy on February 5th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Oragenics, stock symbol OGEN. It is up today 68% or 19 cents, trading at 47 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 176 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is about $7 million. So what can I tell you about this company? 6 months ago, it used to trade at $2.50. However, over the last 6 months, it actually collapsed all the way to like 20 cents. And frankly, for the last 5 months, it was basically hovering around 20 or 30 cents, and nobody was really trading it. Nobody was interested in that stock. So it was probably on its way to be delisted. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is the hottest thing on the market. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, especially if it is in fact a pharmaceutical stock, because this stocks could pop and go through the roof over the results they receive from clinical trials when, for example, the medication is being used on real humans and it shows some promising results, or maybe they're getting approvals. So the main thing is that something's happening there, and even if you decide to jump in right now at 48 cents a share, your upside potential is $2.50. So you could practically make 5 times or 500% return on that stock if it goes back to its previous levels. So take a look and maybe put some money into it. Oragenics, stock symbol OGEN, only 48 cents a share. Next one is Asset Entities, stock symbol ASST. It is up today 53% or 29 cents, trading at 84 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 123 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $11 million. So 6 months ago, the stock used to trade at $3 a share. Then it basically collapsed to like 20 or 30 cents. However, it was trying to make some moves and then trying to break out of its bearish pattern. I already reported on that stock back in January when it produced very nice jumps from 50 cents to $1.50, basically tripling in one day. However, it couldn't sustain itself at $1.50 and collapsed back to 50 cents. So today is another attempt to break through its resistance and maybe go much higher. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So Asset Entities, stock symbol ASST, only 81 cents a share. Next one is, oh wow, Aurora Cannabis. It's marijuana company, stock symbol ACB. It is up today 47% or $1.73, trading at $5.40. Since this morning, it already traded 53 million shares. Market cap for the company is $300 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, 6 months ago, it used to trade at $7 a share. However, it gradually collapsed to $3.50. While it was collapsing, nobody was trading it, nobody was excited about that stock, and basically it was kind of like, trading undercover, so to speak. So, however, some kind of news were released by the company today, maybe it's earning news or something like that, and now it's producing a huge jump of 47% in stock price, and also producing, oh my god, we have a problem, somebody's stuck and no, okay. So The main thing is that you should probably take a look and see what's going on, because one other thing with marijuana stocks, I just remember it was about 6 months ago when the federal government under Biden wanted to declassify or reclassify marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 drug, meaning that it would be not as dangerous, and also I think it would allow banks to do business with marijuana dispensaries and stores, because it would no longer be I guess a class 1 narcotic. So maybe it didn't materialize, or it never went through, so the stock was basically collapsing, probably with all other stocks, all other marijuana stocks as well. So something is happening there. Take a look and maybe put some money into it. Aurora Cannabis, stock symbol ACB, only $5.41 a share. Next one is Pasithea Therapeutics, stock symbol KTTA. It is up today 48%, or 99 cents, trading at $3.08. Since this morning, it already traded 53 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is only $4 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, back 5 months ago in September, it used to trade at $6.40. However, over the next 4 or 5 months, it pretty much collapsed all the way to like $2.20. While it was collapsing, nobody was trading it, nobody was interested in that stock, so it was, pretty quiet and kind of invisible to the market. So some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is popping 47% in price change. So this is since it has the word therapeutics, this is a pharmaceutical penny stock, and with this stock, just like I already told you before, a lot of sometimes the medication they're working on goes through like clinical trials, or maybe FDA approvals, and if the company actually is producing some positive results in terms of bringing the medication to the market, this is when everybody suddenly pays attention to that stock and jumps on it, trying to acquire those shares. So based on a volume of 53 million shares, I think this is what's happening. So there's a lot of new buyers coming in trying to acquire those shares. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they released, and how powerful and promising they are for the future business of the company. So take a look. Pasithea Therapeutics, stock symbol KTTA, only $3.04 a share. Next one is Prestige Wealth, stock symbol PWM. It is up today 34%, or 55 cents, trading at $2.17 a share. Since this morning, it already traded only 1 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $42 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, it's an interesting company. First of all, I love the name, Prestige Wealth. Maybe that stock is actually creating wealth for its shareholders. The main thing is that 5 months ago, it used to trade at 60 cents a share back in September of last year. Now it's trading at $2.20. So you could notice this is the stock almost quadrupled in the last 5 months. So and it actually had a very big, very strong growth in the last month, when it went from $1 to, let's say right now, $2.20. So by the way, while it was growing and bringing very nice returns, almost nobody was trading. Just like right now, less than 1 million shares were traded. So for most investors, this stock is invisible, otherwise would have much larger trading volume. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they release and with what kind of prestige wealth they're producing there. And if it sounds very good, maybe put some money into it. So Prestige Wealth, stock symbol PWM, only $2.17 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 2,000 penny stocks. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.